Hi there, Jim from Viking. I'm going to show you how to make your own wipes as an alternative to Lysol and Clorox wipes. We've got a bucket, we've got a lid. They come separately. When you initially get the bucket, you want to snap the cover on, open it up. You got your wipes. One pack fits neatly inside. You have your chemical mixed up, 4 ounces per gallon. This will hold half a gallon. You just simply pour it over the wipes. Let it sit for a few minutes to soak up. Snap the lid shut. And I've already made a batch up right here. When it's time to open the bucket initially, this strip pulls off. The lid pops up. You've got your pre-moistened wipes. You want to come in and you're ready to go. Make your own wipes. You can use hand sanitizer, disinfectant cleaner, bleach. Of course, you'd want to wear gloves, but this material is strong enough to hold up to all those products. Ends up being a lot more economical, and it's a lot more available than Lysol and Clorox bleach. Contact us if you're interested. Viking Chemicals.